Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I was able to make this beautiful quilt top because of my amazing fabrics from Fabricstown.
I have been quilting for most of my life, and when I saw this 60 pre-cut square pack in this vintage boho floral cotton fabric set, I was in love immediately. I have been wanting to make a hexagon quilt for years, and this was finally the opportunity to make one. I love this fabric. It is so high quality. I love that it came in these 8 by 8 square pieces. So it was perfect for the project that I had in mind for it. And it is 60 different fabrics. So if you are looking for something with a ton of variety, you are going to be immediately in love. This fabric was so incredibly easy to work with. It sewed easily, it ironed easily, and my friend who used to own a quilt shop helped me with this design, and she was completely in love with this fabric and is definitely getting a pack for herself. I highly, highly recommend checking out Fabricstown for your next quilt project or any sewing.
If you are looking for an incredible variety pack of fabrics, then you need to get this one from Fabricstown. It is absolutely gorgeous and 100% worth getting, and that's my point of view.